Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini CLI in VS Code. First, let's prepare your environment. You'll need Node, JS, and NPM installed on your system. Open your VS Code terminal and verify these installations. This setup ensures you have the necessary tools to install and manage the Gemini CLI effectively. We'll cover everything from initial setup to running your first commands, making it straightforward to integrate AI capabilities into your workflow. Now, let's get the Gemini CLI installed. In your VS Code terminal, run npm install g at Google/generative AI CLI. Once installed, you'll need your API key. Head over to Google AI Studio to generate one. After securing your key, set it as an environment variable, typically named Gemini API KEY, to allow the CLI to authenticate your requests. This crucial step ensures your commands can access the Gemini API securely. With the CLI installed and configured, you're ready to run your first commands. Try Gemini write a short poem about a cat directly in your VS Code terminal. The output will appear right there, demonstrating the power of generative AI. Experiment with different prompts and explore options like specifying model parameters. The integrated terminal makes it incredibly convenient to iterate on your prompts and see immediate results, enhancing your development speed. For more advanced usage, consider integrating Gemini CLI commands into your shell scripts. This allows for powerful automation and custom workflows within your projects. Remember to use the help flag with any command to explore its full capabilities and options. This is a great way to discover new features and refine your prompts. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it for their comfort and durability. Plus, that lifetime warranty is fantastic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.